We love making drinking chocolate at ChocoSol, and you might not know this, but one of our favorite ones to use for kids and adults alike is the vanilla sea salt chocolate. The vanilla and the salt kind of mellow out the acidity in the cacao, giving it a really well-rounded, delicious flavor. To use the vanilla sea salt to make a drink, simply use half of a bar with about 8 ounces of hot water, just down from the boil. You don't need to go crazy hot. We recommend using 4 pieces of our classic ChocoSol bar, then adding your hot water. You'll want to let it sit in the hot water for a few moments to soften it up, then blend it on the lowest setting, and gradually getting it up to the highest setting to get that nice emulsion and aeration. You really want to whip it up to get those cocoa butters frothing. That's the secret to making a water-based hot chocolate. At home, you can definitely make it a little bit richer or a little bit thinner. The classic hot chocolate with water, when it's aerated, it should be bubbly, just like this. At home, you can also add your favorite kind of milk to make it a little bit creamier. You can basically use any of our bulk chocolates to do this, but we've also relaunched our new chili, chocolate, and cinnamon in bulk on our online store. Check it out.